So in this video tutorial, we're going to be learning on the license keys. Now we've explained on the access pin, the online CBT practice access pin, there are video tutorials on that. Now we're going to talk about the license keys. Now let's click on the next menu, which is the license keys. Now the question is, what is license key? Now our offline CBT softwares uses the license key. Please take note of that, very important. The offline CBT practice, CBT softwares, uses the license key. Now our CBT softwares, the offline, we have two types. We have the CBT offline practice and the CBT exam creator. Both of them are offline but have different purposes. Now for the CBT offline practice, it is basically meant for students that are preparing for exams like JAM, WAEC and the likes. They install the software on their system and contact you for the activation key. Now for the CBT exam creator, that is meant for schools to be able to create their own examination. So that one involves them conducting their own exam within the school. So in the video tutorials, you're going to see a video that explains how you can activate the offline practice and how you can also activate the CBT exam creator. But in this particular video, we'll see on how we can generate the CBT offline practice. So by doing that, we go to this page, you click on generate license key. Let's click on it again. Okay, yeah, you click here. Let's start from beginning. License key, generate license key. Now it's going to ask us, is this CBT exam practice or CBT exam creator? Remember I told that there are two for the offline practice. Offline, we have the CBT exam practice and we have the CBT exam creator. So I'm doing that on CBT exam practice. So you click on CBT exam practice, similar to the, so you select the exam type that you want. Now let's select for JAMB and the activation number. Now the activation number is gotten from the software. So you simply meet your customers or your students, get the software installed in their system. That is the CBT offline practice, should be installed in their system. So by installing it on their system, you would be able to get the activation number. So let's go to the system where we installed the CBT exam practice. And we look at this, you can see that the software is installed. Take note that it is your own software that should be installed. So click on it. Then click on start application on their system. Now this one, we're doing all this is because of we want to get the activation number. Now the system, the customer system is not with you. You simply tell the customer to start it. Click on full access and send the activation number shown to you. This number changes. It cannot be the same for two different installations. So they give you this activation number and that's what you would use to get the license key for them. So after they sent it to you, you would enter the activation number, select the number of days depending on what they paid for. So let's say 15 days. Now generate, then generate license and wait for it to generate the license. It takes just few seconds. Now it has generated the license. Now we can see it on our dashboard. This activation number, license key, date generated, validity, client limits, that just for one computer. and days left 15. So now our focus is on the license key. We have auto and we have manual. So we're going to start with the auto, what the auto means. Now auto is for users that want to activate it automatically. How do we go about it? Download the auto. So we've successfully downloaded the auto. Now you can see it, license key, the activation number shows, so you know. Now I've successfully downloaded the auto. Now this is what you will send to the user to activate the software. Now let's now assume this is the user. The user has already started the software and I've sent the license key. So what the user just simply do is that he just picks this and goes to where he downloaded that particular license that you sent to him or her. Picks it this way. Can you see it is not meant to open it, just pick it this way and click on activate. But before doing this, make sure you don't have WinRAR or any zip application on the computer. If you have it, uninstall it before you activate, else it might not activate. So we'll click on activate now, and if everything is done appropriately, it should activate. So you can see activation successful. The user has sent this activation successful. Restart your computer. So the user is meant to restart the computer. So now after the user has restarted the computer, he clicks on this application again. Okay, the user restarts the computer. Make sure you have restarted the computer. Now after the user has restarted the computer, he clicks on this and click start application. Then wait for can you see this? It has activated it. So that is how you activate the software using auto. For demonstration purpose, I use one system to show the activation and the agent part. But ideally, activation should be done on the customer system, while you as an agent will be the one generating the license. So that is for auto. Now next, we'll go to the manual and understand how to activate manual. But before we go to that, just take note that manual is for those that auto refuses to activate. When auto refuses to activate, then you use the manual option.